Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best beach wagons that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're heading to the beach, camping, or just need a reliable cart for your outdoor adventures, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Wagon Collapsible Wagon Cart. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $44.99. Despite its affordability, it comes packed with features designed for convenience and versatility. Weighing only 12 pounds, this wagon is incredibly lightweight and compact, folding down to just 22 by 9.8 by 7.5 inches. This makes it a great choice for those tight on storage space or who need something easy to transport. The Wagon wagon features a sturdy 1.2 millimeter thick steel frame and durable 600D Oxford fabric, allowing it to handle up to 250 pounds in weight. The 360-degree rotating front wheels and ergonomic extendable handle make maneuvering a breeze, even on uneven terrain. Plus, the detachable wheels are a thoughtful addition for anyone concerned about keeping their storage space clean after outdoor use. However, it's worth noting that while it handles most terrains well, it may struggle with soft sand. This wagon is perfect for light-duty tasks such as grocery shopping, gardening, or casual outings. While it lacks some of the premium features found in higher-end models, its unbeatable price makes it a solid choice for anyone on a budget. The main drawbacks are its modest weight capacity and smaller wheel size, which may limit its performance in more rugged environments. But for everyday use, it's a fantastic entry-level option. Coming in at number 4 is the Beach Wagon, priced at $56.68. This mid-range option offers a great mix of affordability and functionality, making it a versatile companion for most outdoor activities. The standout feature here is its oversized wheels with dual bearings, which ensure smooth movement across various terrains, including sand, gravel, and grass. If you're looking for a reliable beach companion, this wagon won't disappoint. The Wagon is built with a sturdy metal frame capable of supporting up to 220 pounds. It also features a collapsible design that folds down compactly, making storage and transport a breeze. It's lightweight at just 13.2 pounds, so it's easy to carry and store, whether you're packing it into your car trunk or stashing it in a closet. The smart design makes it suitable for a range of uses, from hauling groceries to moving gardening supplies. While the Wagon is a strong performer, it does have some limitations. Its weight capacity is lower than some of the other models on this list, and it doesn't include additional features like cup holders or side pockets. However, its smooth handling and all-terrain capabilities make it a great choice for those who need a reliable and compact option for moderate loads. It's an excellent pick for anyone who wants something functional without breaking the bank. Taking the third spot is the foldable utility wagon, priced at $49.99. This wagon is a fantastic option for those seeking a lightweight and portable solution with a little more muscle. It boasts a high-quality, pressure-resistant alloy steel frame and an impressive, dynamic load-bearing capacity of 220 pounds. With a static capacity of 360 pounds. At just 10 pounds, it's the lightest wagon on our list, making it ideal for users of all ages. The wagon features 360 degrees rotating anti-slip wheels, making it highly maneuverable across various terrains. Whether you're navigating a sandy beach or a gravel path, this wagon glides smoothly. Its collapsible design allows for quick setup and folds down to a compact size for easy storage. The detachable 600D Oxford fabric is another highlight, offering excellent waterproofing and durability while being easy to clean. The included elastic cords with hooks are a thoughtful bonus for securing your load. While the wagon excels in portability and ease of use, it does have some drawbacks. The wheels, while versatile, aren't as robust as those found on premium models, and the handle lacks advanced adjustability features. However, for the price, it's hard to beat the combination of lightweight design, durability, and convenience. It's a great choice for anyone who prioritizes portability without compromising on performance. In second place, we have the Syokyo Collapsible Wagon, priced at $79.99. This heavy-duty cart is designed for those who need a robust solution for hauling larger loads. With a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds, it's the most capable wagon on our list in terms of load bearing. Its 180L storage capacity and durable 600D Oxford fabric make it ideal for carrying everything from camping gear to groceries with ease. One of the Syokyo Wagon's key strengths is its all-terrain wheels with dual bearings, which allow for smooth transport over sand, grass, and even soil. The handle is adjustable and locks securely in place, offering excellent control and maneuverability. The wagon's foldable design makes it easy to set up and store, and its compact folded dimensions ensure it won't take up too much space in your car or garage. The main downside of the Syokyo wagon is its heavier weight. At 19 pounds, it's bulkier than some of the other options. Additionally, its higher price point may be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. However, if you need a wagon that can handle heavy-duty tasks and various terrains, this one is more than up to the challenge. It's perfect for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone needing extra hauling power. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Wagons Collapsible Wagon, the premium option on our list, priced at $99.99. This wagon is the ultimate all-rounder, combining durability, functionality, and convenience. Its standout feature is the wide wheels with double bearings, which offer unmatched maneuverability and stability on all terrains, from rocky trails to sandy beaches. The front wheels also come with locking brakes, giving you added security when parked on slopes. The Wagons wagon boasts a heavy-duty steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric, providing a generous 140 liters storage capacity. Despite its robust build, it remains easy to fold and store, collapsing into a compact size with minimal effort. Additional features like side pockets for smaller items and an adjustable handle with a rebound function make it incredibly user-friendly. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds, it's suitable for most hauling needs, from camping gear to gardening supplies. The only notable downside is its higher price point, but given the premium features and exceptional performance, it's well worth the investment. The Wagons wagon is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who demand the best in reliability and functionality. Whether you're heading to the beach or setting up camp in the woods, this wagon will be your ultimate companion. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy hauling!